Hello, good morning. Happy June 4th. It is Wednesday, and today I am going to be opening up my Pen Pal Happy Mail. I am part of a Pen Pal group here in the budgeting community, and all of these are from that group, and then this one is just extra Happy Mail, and you probably can guess who it's from. I have my P.O. box in the description below. If you want to exchange Happy Mail, or if you want to become a pen pal with me, this group is already full, but I am always accepting new pen pals, and you would just need to let me know when you send your first letter to me. If you are wanting to be a budget pen pal, if you want to be a bookish pen pal, so if you're a reader and you want to discuss books, exchange bookmarks, recommendations, bookish things, I love those. I love those letters and those Happy Mail packages when I get them, because I am such a bookish person. I read a book like every other day. I finish a book and I start a new one. So that's right up my alley. Or if you want to do pen paling about gardening, anything that interests you, you just need to let me know that when you send your letter to me of, like what kind of category do you want to be in, because I like to send goodies to my pen pals, and I don't want to send, like bookish things to somebody who might want to be a garden kind of pen pal. Or if you're planner and stationery, then I don't want to be sending things about books or budgets. You know what I mean? But yes, I'm always open to new pen pals. Or if you don't want to be a pen pal, but you just want to do a Happy Mail exchange, same difference. All the mail goes to the P.O. box and everybody gets replied to. But that being said, I did send Uma Crafts and Budgets a little surprise, and she responded. And this has been sitting on my desk for so long, since the end of March. But I was thinking, I don't want to do Happy Mail for just one thing, so I would do it all together. And I've been waiting for the rest of my pen pal mail, but it has not yet arrived. And I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and do this, because this is from May. And I think that some of the savings challenges in here are going to be May themed, but it doesn't matter because I use savings challenges all the time. But anyway, so this one from Uma Crafts and Budgets. It says, thank you so much for thinking of me and sending Happy Mail. I hope this savings challenge helps you on your savings journey. Happy savings, Tanya, Uma Crafts and Budgets. And on the, oh my gosh. Oh my god, isn't that absolutely adorable? Oh, she makes the cutest challenges. I do a lot of her savings challenges for Christmas, and then now for Tiny Tuesdays I'm going to be doing a lot of hers, but she has the most adorable savings challenges. I love them. Thank you, Tanya. Oh, that is just so cute. And actually, when I get Happy Mail, even if it's just one time during the year, I like to save these, so then when I do my Christmas cards, everybody's good. I already have all their information, and I can send them their Christmas card. For my pen pals, though, I make stickers for them. I get an address sheet, and you can do 30. So then I know, okay, here's their address. I don't have to write it out anymore. And then I have it, so I know, kind of like a pill box, I'm going to say, because, if the one for May is gone, that you responded. June, you responded. July, you responded. You know what I mean? And so I like to keep it track that way. And then also then I have the one so I can send birthday cards or holiday cards, my Christmas cards. This one here is from Lacey at Blue Kiwi Budgets. Let me go ahead and set that aside. And she says, let me, okay, it looks like it's something that I could probably share. It says, hi, Vicky. I am so excited to start this pen pal journey. I want to share a little of myself with my freebies, and since my husband is a retired veteran, it is only fitting that I create a few Memorial Day challenges. Happy savings, and here's to the beginning of an amazing summer. Your pen pal, Lacey, Blue Kiwi Budgets. So that's very sweet. Thank you, Lacey. And this one is for Memorial Day. And this one is a color in save. All gave some gave all. You know what? I could use this also for Veterans Day. I am going to put this in my November group because I'm going to use this for Veterans Day. Memorial Day. And then this one here. Heroes don't wear capes. They wear dog tags and combat boots. These are very cute. This also could be for Veterans Day. So I'm going to put these for November. I will have this one for Memorial Day next year, even though, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this can save 20 or more. These are very cute. Thank you, Lacey. I'm going to put those there. This next one is from Kim at Budgeting with Kim. Oh my gosh, I'm already seeing that my granddaughter, Gwendolyn, she would go wild over this. She loves mermaids. This is adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then this says, hello, new pen pal. I hope this letter finds you well, and I hope that you had a blast Easter. Oh, a blast. I did have a blast. I found out I was going to be a grandma again, but it says had a blessed Easter. This month's freebies are 2 that are brand new to my Ko-Fi account. I hope these little minis help you achieve your financial goals, Kim. Oh, and then I do want to say that all of these savings challenges that I'm going to be showing you should be on all of the creators' Ko-Fi accounts. That was one of the things that we all decided on, is that they're going to send them to the pen pal group, but then they would also upload them for all of their followers to be able to receive a copy. So if you like any of these savings challenges that you see, you can go visit their YouTube channels. I will have them listed in my description below, and then you can go to their Ko-Fis and pull these down. Now, did I do that? No, I forgot. And then when I went to go do it, I didn't save mine. So I do have a hard copy where I could scan it and upload it, but I don't know if I want to do that, because it's like, I'd rather give you something else instead. But she had this really cute sticker on there. It says beautiful things inside. And then we have the mermaid one, which is adorable. And then this one here with tulips, and it says you are worthy. This would probably be a really good one to use, like if you do Faith Friday or Word of God Wednesday savings challenges. Very cute. Very cute. Thank you, Kim. Those are so sweet. I want to do it like this so I have all of them out when I'm done here. This next one is from I am gonna butcher her name. Vida's. It's VDAS. Vida's Budget. Okay. It says, hi, Vicky. I hope you are doing amazing. I am currently running your playlist, trying to get to know you. I am sorry to hear about your heart surgery, but I am happy that it was a success. You are one strong woman. The $500,000 debt, you have nothing on you. You got this. Oh my gosh. And it says, thank you for being my pen pal. I wonder if she makes these. She would have to, because that would be a super cute pad. And then it has her little logo down here. Very cute. And then she has Saving with My Pen Pals. And it has where you can assign each icon an amount and color and save. This is adorable. Oh my gosh, you could even use this for back to school. You could use this for if you were saving for planner stuff. Oh my word. That is, I love this one. This, oh my gosh. I'm going to laminate this so I can use it over and over again. I really, really like this. And then she's, oh my goodness. She must know that I like gardening and tea, because this looks like a bunch of gardening. There's a teapot, so adorable. So I'm going to use these stickers probably in my gardening journal. So adorable. Thank you. And then she also sent this paper clip that looks like a diamond. Very, very cute. I'm going to go ahead and put that with my paper clips. Thank you. Oh, I love that. The next one is Char. And at the moment, I don't remember what her channel is. Oh my goodness. I will put it in the description link below. And I'm sorry, Char, that I don't remember. Oh my goodness. Oh, here it is. I don't remember because she does not have a YouTube channel. It's that I'm aware of. I think that I was unable to find it, but she's La Belle Petite, and it says big dreams start with small steps. Happy to build a community with you. Oh, look at how she decorated this up. Oh my goodness. So cute. But if Char has a channel, I will link it down in the description below. But I think that hers was one that I had that I was not able to find. And Char, if you're watching, please correct me if I'm wrong. Here's a rainbow vinyl sticker. I will use this in my gardening journal. Super adorable. And then she has a super challenge, which has the stars. And this is very thick, very nice paper. It's like a thick cardstock. I think that I will laminate this one so I can do it multiple times. And I could even use this as a bookmark because, you know, I give them like 1 to 5 star reviews. Nobody has ever received a 5-star from me. Not yet anyway. But this, oh my goodness. Pizza and cake, my 2 favorite things. These are very, very cute. I'm going to laminate both of them so I can use them multiple times. Thank you, Char. Alrighty. Now the next one is from, this is from Hannah. And she has Budgeting with Hannah. She also has a crazy cat like I do. You know how Toast Malone is like in every video? She has a cat that likes to act up when she's filming. Let's see. Okay, I think that I can probably share this. This is sweet. It says, "Hi, Vicky. I am so excited to be part of this pen pal group, and I'm looking forward to getting to know one another. One thing to know about me is that my greatest joy in life is being an aunt. My nephew, the one who made me an aunt, was born in June of 2011. I created these challenges in honor of him and all the June babies out there. June's flower is the rose, and his birthstone is the pearl. Hope you enjoy these and happy savings. With love, Hannah." My one and only son was also born in June. And it's so crazy because he's going to be 29 this year. But when I look at him, I still see that little boy, you know, like he's 11 years old to me. And it's like, he's always going to be my little hunty boy. And he's like, "You can call me Hunty, but stop calling me Hunty boy." But yeah, it doesn't matter how old he gets. He still looks little to me. I still treat him little. Oh my goodness, so pretty. This is beautiful. Thank you, Hannah. I love these. And then this is Happy to Save with Hannah. So maybe that's what her channel is called. But I thought it was Budgeting with Hannah. But I'm always wrong with names. I know when I go and watch them, and I know if they have a cat, I know if they have a dog. I can tell you everything that you want to know about their pets, but channel names always gets me. This is super cute. Both of these are really nice. I really like them. I'm also going to laminate these so I can use them multiple times. So cute. And then since they're for June, I can use these to save for my son's birthday for next year maybe. Oh my goodness, I love them. Okay, now the last one, I know that this is from Pam at the Miss Champion because hers was the very first one that I got. And let's go ahead and pull that out. I wanted to have my envelopes over there, so I don't know why I'm making multiple piles. And I love how she has this theme going on with the black and the gold. And I think over the weekend, Pam has reached over 400 subscribers. If you have not yet subscribed to Pam's channel, I highly recommend that you do. Actually, if you could go and subscribe to everyone's channels, if you have not yet. But Pam uploads like every single day. She's always saving money with something. And she is kicking butt with savings. It's like, it's crazy. And she does this Word of God Wednesday that I absolutely adore. So on Wednesdays, I'm like hanging there on YouTube, just waiting for it to upload. So this one here says, I'm literally stuck between I need to save money and you only live once. That is me. That is so me. And this is a scratch and save. I need to find out where she gets these little tiny ones because I need little tiny ones. That is adorable. And that is absolutely so me. And here's one that's one tile at a time. I guess you would roll the dice to add these up. Super adorable. And you know, and I'll probably laminate this one so I can do it multiple times. And this one looks like one that Idris would really like having fun saving with as well. And that's my oldest grandchild. Pen pals, ink, paper, and friendship. Save each icon saves. Super cute. Oh, and look, she knows that I like kitty cats and that I have kitty cats. This is adorable. I'm going to use this in my reading journal, actually, because my reading journal for 2025 is cat themed. Surprise. Oh, I know you're shocked. It says, Vicky, hello, my love. I was so excited when I saw your name as part of our pen pal group. I just adore you. I hope you enjoy these challenges. With love, Pam. And it's the Miss Champion. Thank you, Pam. Oh my gosh, I love all of these challenges. They are so adorable. And what I like about them is that I can go and I can assign whatever amount that I want to each challenge, so it will fit with my budget. And the one from Tanya is save $20, and so I'll be able to do that because each one is either, it goes, the amounts are $1 to $5, so that is perfectly wonderful. I love all of this. This was a fantastic Happy Meal haul, I guess you would say. And I'm excited to have some stickers for my journals. Oh my gosh, because I'm a sticker person. I'm going to use this one today, and I'm going to probably use this one today. And quite honestly, probably her. This is how I felt today when I went out and looked at my lemon tree. So wonderful. Absolutely perfect. Thank you so much, everybody. And again, if you want to be a pen pal with me, or if you want to exchange Happy Mail, all you need to do is send something to my P.O. box and you will be replied to. And I hope that you enjoyed this. I so did. Oh my gosh, this was fantastic. I will be back again tomorrow with a new video. Until then, happy budgeting and take care.